Yo, yo, yo. I've been going down this fucking rabbit hole. I'm going to go down this rabbit hole with ChatGPT. I'm like late to the party. I know everyone's talking about this shit, but I just want to watch a little video here. What is ChatGPT and how you can use it? Shout outs to Adrian Tuareg. Yeah, let's just watch this video because, man, this shit's been scaring me. Does it freak you guys out? I don't know. Like,
Most trending topics
let's just
right
go here.
now.
Let's go.
It's been less than a week since its release, and people's minds are being blown with what it can do. It's also breaking records, with over 1 million users signed up in just 5 days, faster than Netflix, Twitch,
Whoa, 1 million users. It's free though, right? It's free. But 1 million users in 5 days? Okay.
Facebook, even Instagram. No longer will you be Googling the answers to problems. ChatGPT gives breakdowns of them in fine detail, with explanations exactly how it works. This will make people question just how relevant Google will be in the coming future. Do you want to know the limitations of TypeScript? ChatGPT has you covered. But what exactly is...
But hold up. That's a good point. Like, will Google be irrelevant? You know what's going to happen? Is Google's going to just buy ChatGPT or all these AI systems. They're going to buy them out and integrate that into Google. Because Google, the search engine, is already AI. Like, the YouTube search engine, the algorithm is just, it's AI. It's already so advanced, you just don't see it. Like, when you're on YouTube or you're, like, talking to your friend about, like, you're buying a new car, Subaru Outback, and then you go on YouTube and the first ad that you see is for a Subaru Outback. Like, that's just AI. That's the algorithm. So I don't think it'll trend out Google. Google's way too powerful.
ChatGPT. What makes it so powerful? These are things I wanted to find out. It's built by the same people that are behind OpenAI, which are now shaping some really interesting technologies. They've been building powerful engines like Codex, which is the engine behind GitHub Copilot, something that many of us are already using in our day-to-day coding on VS Code. And if you're looking closely, you might see the beginnings of ChatGPT, where people put in prompts and they get outputs from an AI-generated system. Another example was DALL-E 2, which was an image generator based on prompts you enter. Here you get different types of visualizations of a spaceman on a horse, and lots of other examples, even extending out classical art.
Yeah, that's how it kind of started, right? Was like, not started, but it started to really go like viral when it was like these drawings would be created. You'd like type in like keywords like, there's one like Joe Rogan. You type in like keywords like Joe Rogan, DMT and something, and it would like create this like unique one of a kind picture. I mean, that's cool enough. But when you start getting into the depths of this, like the actual ChatGPT and like asking questions and it answers in real time and almost seems like it has a conscience even though it doesn't, that's trippy, man. It's scary.
ChatGPT is therefore a way of prompting an AI to solve or answer a question or a prompt in a human-like manner, very different from anything else we've seen before. And this can sound scary, very scary,
Yes, I'm
especially
scared.
to organizations like Stack Overflow, which pride themselves on solving problems with human-related answers. They've actually gone as far as banning ChatGPT out from their systems. This is because they want to build a level of trust on there. And if people simply copy-paste answers from GPT without any references, that might break that level of trust. This is all quite interesting. But
So here's what I'm thinking. I'm taking the mic out for this. You know I'm excited. If you guys watch the channel, you know I get excited when I take the mic out. What happens? Let me make big screen here so I can. Let me make that. That's me. Hey, we're talking about ChatGPT, and I just said, "Let me make big screen." Let me make big screen. What happens, guys, when this is so prominent and it's so integrated into our society that everything we read is generated by an AI, not by a human? Doesn't it eventually? I don't know. I'm not smart enough to even understand what I'm saying, but I think I'm onto something, right? What happens when AI takes over so much that there's no human thought anymore? Evolution, maybe we become dumber. Do we become smarter or dumber with AI? Like, honestly. I don't know. Let's go. Let's keep going here. Let me make big screen again.
let me have a look at ChatGPT under the hood by actually using it and seeing just how useful it will become as part of our day-to-day lives in development as well as any industry. In case you didn't know, ChatGPT is entirely free. If you want to try it out yourself, simply go to OpenAI. log in with a brand new account, and then select the ChatGPT interface. I'm quite fond of the design. It's nice and simple, giving you the examples as well as some capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT. Some of these capabilities are quite powerful, things like remembering what a user said in a conversation and providing follow-up corrections as well. The first thing I wanted to do is to see if it could tell me what Python or TypeScript is. And it gave me a pretty sound answer, saying that TypeScript is a programming language that's a superset of JavaScript. Since I haven't actually used TypeScript before, I decided to ask it if it could give me a hello world function. Not only did it write the function in such a manner that I could literally copy paste it out, but it also explained the function to me.
That's so
and this
trippy.
is really just the beginning. And here is where things get interesting.
Okay.
I've been working on a small application and I was getting an error that I couldn't figure out. I decided to copy paste this error into ChatGPT to see what it would say. Here's some JavaScript in VS Code for a upload for a video app I'm working. This code is failing when I try to run it in Node.js. I copy pasted this straight into ChatGPT.
Bro, if this fixes this, I'm gonna black out.
Code for me. What I received back was my code fixed. And not only that, ChatGPT went through and gave me the code to copy paste and even explain to me exactly what was wrong, why it was wrong, and how it was fixed.
Dude,
in this example, I had written my return function incorrectly, basically making a bit of a typo. And here,
bro, I remember back in like high school and stuff, where you would, if you wanted to cheat on a test, right? Okay, if you wanted to cheat on a test in high school, what I would do is I'd write it on like some answers I thought would be on the test. I'd write it on a piece of paper and there was like a shelf. I remember this one time there was like a shelf right here and I like taped or like glued it to here and I would like look up and like try to get answers. Could you imagine now you get like some wireless headphones, whatever, everything's Bluetooth, wireless, ChatGPT, AI, there's going to be a point where they got glasses that's reading this and it's just like giving you the answers. Like our tests, how can you even be tested at this point? Right? Like I'm obviously not in school anymore, but I don't know, man. I'm rambling. I am a babbling idiot, but let's continue with the video here because this is super interesting.
It's gone through and fixed that return, making sure that it's spelled correctly. It's also been a bit cheeky here, adding in a comment that it fixed the typo right here on the line where it says return. If I didn't know any better, this could have come from a real human. Even, for example, a mentor or a supervisor that could be checking and reviewing your code. And this makes me question exactly what things might look like in the future of development, because this could really be like a personal assistant of a sort. But ChatGPT has a lot of relevance, even outside of programming, since it's practical to pretty much anything. Here, I wanted to create a list of food I can eat that don't include carbs because I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. It gave me 3 dishes that I can have: grilled chicken, as well as shrimp, as well as some omelets. Taking this one step further, I asked if it could create a shopping list for me based on those meals. And yes, it did that very easily. Not only that, it indented them and made them nice and readable. I think that ChatGPT is here to stay. I think it'll be revolutionary. It'll become part of our day-to-day lives, similar to how Google has. And not only that, it's going to revolutionize so many industries once they take full advantage of it. That's just my opinion though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.
You know what I think, man?
Make sure you guys hit like.
You know what I think? This is what I think. You guys, have y'all ever seen Terminator the movie? That's what I think. I don't know. I'm for it though. It's pretty cool. I love this new technology. But what do you guys think about ChatGPT? I'm gonna steal this man's questions because he has millions of views on his video, and I have 6,000 subscribers. Speaking of that, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. You know what? If you guys don't, I'm just gonna create some AI bots to get this channel to 1 million subs. All right. Love y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.